it actually comes out. I'm going to do a little tutorial here on YouTube so you can better utilize that resource. And I hope you pay attention to that, especially if you're a trader here, because this goes back to something I've been saying forever, people. This time that we are in right now presents incredible opportunity for those of us who understand market dynamics. And I want all of you out there to take advantage of that. It's just so important to not get fleeced here like most people are. Now, we understand that, and I've been talking about this, I don't know, for weeks now at least, how the market has been due for a pullback and maybe even a significant sell-off, seriously. And I outlined how the hedge funds are playing this game right now. And understand, this is a game with terrible consequences for most people. And you are not most people. If you follow this blog, you have a brain and you understand. You're not zombified. Speaking of being zombified, okay, in the description of this video, right down here, I'm going to place a link to an interview that I did with I Succeed Adrian Shepard, and we talked about a lot of things, and one of them was how people are being zombified with purpose at this time. So I think it's worth listening to. So when you finish this video, please check that out. All right, so just a couple of things I just want to just briefly go over again here. All right, so we've seen losses in the market over the past 2 days. In my opinion, this is not done. The sequester, again, like I've been saying, was not priced into the market. There are many who believe that this will be kicked down the road, once again, like everything else. Now, at this time, I believe we are going into sequester. That's my personal opinion now, and we'll see how that plays out. If we do go into sequester, the market is going to take a hit. There's no doubt about it. So again, if you have not closed your long positions, I'm urging you once again to do that and lock in a win. Wait till after the sequester, and then we'll just see what happens. We'll readjust our strategy. If they kick the can down the road and the market goes up, we've lost nothing. You've locked in a win. We can reinvest and ride that wave up. In the event that the market goes down, you're way ahead of the game. And again, you can get short there and make money. Cash on the downward swing, and take that cash and do what with it? Buy precious metals. Exactly. That's what we need to be doing. And I'm not talking about paper stuff here, people. Please understand that. Paper is junk. You can burn it. You cannot burn a block of gold or a block of silver. I mean, these are real units of wealth. Paper is garbage. And as a matter of fact, I had said dump it all. Dump it all yesterday. And I think that's the way we need to do this at this time here, understanding what's going on and how this is being played on all of us. And it's not going to end up good, people, for most out there. And this is just the beginning. This is going to snowball into literally a financial monster. It already has its eye on us. It's waiting to strike. It will strike. And just let me go over another thing real quick here. For those of you that don't realize this, the Fed cannot stop printing ever. Okay, I've been over this many times, so forget about this. This is a fake out. This little nonsense that they put out yesterday. They understand clearly that they are the lender of last resort. If they don't fund the United States, we're done. Again, the United States is in a technical default regarding debt, because if it were not for the Fed buying it all, we'd be in an actual default, which is coming. And that, my friends, is going to be very scary. There are people out there that say the United States can never default because we have a printing press. Well, really, let's look at the Weimar Republic. They had a printing press too. And what happened? What happened there? Massive hyperinflation. The Federal Reserve, people, has created a very dangerous situation regarding the supply and demand for United States dollars. They keep printing them. Meanwhile, it's not helping anything. As a matter of fact, it's creating a much bigger financial monster. The United States dollar is losing its reserve status, period. No one wants to talk about it. It will never come out of the mouth of Barack Obama. It's unbelievable. Really understand, people. This whole thing is an alternate universe in the literal sense that's been created, and they want everyone to believe that's reality. It is not reality. And that's what scares me the most. Anyway, this video is getting awfully long here. I'm going to end it now. So just two things. Be on the lookout. TradersChoice.net will be up in a couple of days. If something freaky happens, I'll let you know, but that's the way it looks for now. So make a note of that. TradersChoice.net. Please check out the interview with Adrian Shepard, I Succeed. Link down below. I'll see all of you tomorrow. You guys have a great day.